Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. I'm your host, David. Today is January 25th, 2024. It is 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. 15 minutes late today. Sorry about that. Kind of snoozed a little bit longer than usual. It is what it is. It happens. But that's all right. That's all right. We're here. We're fine. We got it. Justin Eubanks, of course, is here. Thank you for almost always being here. You missed yesterday, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm not gonna hold it against you for not being here at this early in the morning. Anyway, thank you guys for being here. It is Thursday. Oh, G Corp, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So, anyway, thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel bright and early, at least for me. I don't know for you guys, but it is early for me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and talk about it. Okay. Let's talk about it. SEC chair pours cold water on chances of spot Ethereum ETF approval. So Gary Gensler said that the Bitcoin ETF approval stays limited to one commodity, hinting that the agency isn't thinking of approving an Ethereum ETF. Also, the agency delayed its decision on BlackRock's spot Ethereum ETF. Basically, we're going to get the same thing that we did with Bitcoin, and it's just going to be delay until inevitably, hopefully, the Coinbase lawsuit gets dismissed, and then, we can have an ETH ETF. I have one of my theories is that they will push this back until like 2025, maybe top of the bull run or something, and maybe that's the top of the market and ETH ETF approval. Maybe. I don't know. During a media briefing on Wednesday, January 24th, SEC Chair Gary Gensler said that the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF earlier this month remains limited to this single cryptocurrency and shouldn't interpret it to have any broader implications beyond that. Gensler's comments come at a time when top financial players, including BlackRock and Fidelity, have been pushing for. It's like, is this the same paragraph as this one? I mean, it's basically the same thing. As I said to Gary, this is Gary, okay? As I said 2 weeks ago, that which we did with regard to Bitcoin exchange traded products is cabined. I've never seen this word in my life. I got to be honest. Never seen this word in my life. Cabined to this one commodity, non-security, and shouldn't be read to be anything other than that. Justin Eubanks says, I was cooking my lunch and went back to the back room and forgot about it. Smoked out the house and was trying to get it aired out and not wake up everybody. Oh, well, don't burn the house down, bro. Don't burn the house down. Not in a bad way. We don't want to burn the house down in a good way. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water. Let the motherfucker burn. Burn, motherfucker. Copyright. Does anybody remember that? So yeah, no Ethereum ETF, which means probably no other ETFs anytime soon. People have been talking about. I know Larry Fink was asked about an XRP ETF. He said no comment at this time. But XRP still the only crypto with legal clarity. I guess you could say Bitcoin kind of has legal clarity, but you can't really prove that in court because there's nobody to take to court because Satoshi Nakamoto is unknown, at least as far as we know. But yeah. No ETFs. Let's take a look at the market. We are sitting at a $1.639 trillion market cap. This is per CoinGecko. What's our fear and greed looking like? Let's go ahead and check out the coin market cap. Our fear and greed is coming in at a hot. It was 50 neutral. Okay, that's like 3 days in a row of neutral. Okay, so we don't know how we feel. We don't know how we feel. We're not fearful or greedy. We're just kind of meh. We're just kind of meh. Maybe I'll be bullish. Maybe I'll be bearish. Who knows? Who knows? I just know I'm happy it's Thursday. There's only 2 more days to the work week. And yeah. Lunar Beach Crypto Gary is my dog. For real, that man really is trying the best to protect us. Smash the like. Yes, smash the like. I can't look. I can't tell if you're being sarcastic or not. So please tell me if you're being sarcastic. I know you say things sometimes, but I need to know if you're being sarcastic or not. Because if you're not, I need to know why you think he's, or how you think he's protecting us. And I might agree. I don't know. I need to hear the argument. Where was I? Oh yeah. So I'm being partly sarcastic. All right, well, fair enough, I guess. Just like how the market is partly bullish, partly bearish, kind of neutral. He's both helping and hurting. Yeah. Well, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about that. Bitcoin, what are you doing? I got to get into some charts this morning. I don't really have anything on the news front. Oh wait, yes, I forgot. Today we gotta be prepared for this. I almost forgot. Oh my goodness. Today, Thursday, January 25th. We've got unemployment claims, guys, at 8:30, and advanced GDP quarter over quarter. Expected to be 2% on the GDP, and unemployment claims 199,000. So, in order for us to stay paused, I believe, in order for us to stay bullish, I think we need to stay paused and not be talking about any rate cuts anytime soon, to be frank. Because rate cuts tank markets every time. Okay, I can show you. I will. It's gonna be after this weekend. You'll find out why, but it's gonna be after this weekend. But yeah, rate cuts. It's not a bullish thing. Not initially. Once we get down, and they kind of start getting low and maybe even flatline, and then we get some quantitative easing, then perhaps we can do some bullishness. But we'll get into that. Another soon. So yeah, unemployment claims 8:30. This is Eastern Standard Time, right? I believe it is. Yeah, so 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's just an hour and a half away. So be prepared for that. Expect volatility. This is kind of what expect unemployment be higher than forecast. We need the money printer to go brrr. We need it to, but I don't know, man. I don't know if the Fed is gonna do that or not. I think they might stick. I think we might see the high rates for longer. Higher for longer. Remember that. Okay? Remember that. Higher for longer. Because I believe the general market, stock market, everything, crypto. I believe we are in a secular bull run that's going to end sometime in the later half of this decade. So that's where I'm at with that. So yeah, I can't wait until after this weekend so I can finally start talking on some things. So what's happening is we're doing I'm doing a prediction video, a Bitcoin cycle prediction video with Army Piper and the Otter Boss, Alex O'Crypto, OC Guy, and Tradefly. And we're doing that this weekend. We're putting that together. And so I've got some stuff, some data and stuff that's going to be in that I can't put out right now. So we'll just have to, you'll just have to wait. Then we can talk about it later. Okay? Sounds good. Sounds good? Sounds good. All right, so Bitcoin, what are we looking at? So let's go ahead and mark off 8:30. Put this on the 30 minutes so I can actually see it. Let's see, on my chart. No, on my chart it'd be 8:30. Yeah, because I keep my chart on Eastern Standard Time, even though I'm Central Standard Time. Sounds crazy, but it helps. It helps. Let's go. Can't wait to see that. Yeah. Also, I've got Army Piper or Piper Academy and Alex O'Crypto in my description. Of course, you guys are already subscribed, but if anybody new ends up watching this, go to the description down below. Subscribe to those guys. Also, join my Discord. Link is also in the description down below, because where else would it be? I mean, descriptions aren't above the videos, so I kind of wonder why anybody ever says description down below, because everybody knows that's where it is, right? I don't know. So I think I'm thinking. Okay, let's see. What would be bullish on the unemployment claims? Anybody? Does anybody know? I really don't know. I don't think it matters. I just think the fact that it's going to bring volatility to the market is what really matters. So I am looking again, like I was yesterday, and this seems like it was building up for the move today. Okay, that's what this seems like. Seems like we're building up for the move today. 8:30, we get that big push. And at 8:30, maybe right at 8:30, push. We finally take out that range, right? And then we get our last drop. That's what I would be looking for. I would be cautious about that. I'm looking for that last drop because I want to, on the higher time frames, I want to create that bullish divergence, especially on like the 4 hour. See how our prime oscillator is coming up? I want that to kind of come down, okay? And then start curling up so that we can come down here and then curl up. That would give us our bullish divergence, and then we can start, talking about moving up. So come up, come back into this range, get us some support and just move on. That's ugly, but hey, that's what we're looking for, okay? That's what I'm looking for. I don't know about you guys. Downside target, let's zoom out even more. And this is the Coinbase chart, so it's going to be different if you're looking at a different exchange as far as the price goes. But yeah, just kind of this is the box. This is the box, okay? I don't really want to see anything below here, but as long as it doesn't close below the box, we're fine. As long as no closes. But yeah, as long as we close inside the box, the box. I used to get asked by Thesis himself, David, what's inside the box? Because I just have boxes everywhere on my charts, and I'm like, they're just zones, man. They're zones, liquidity zones. Sniper's Nightmare. Good morning. Oh, Dutch, anyone see my wooden shoes? Dutch, I haven't seen your wooden shoes, but I have found a couple of ribs laying around here. What's going on with that? Dutch ribs. Good morning, Mark Dutch. Afternoon for you? What time is it for you, Dutch? Dutch. What time is it for you, Dutch? Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Yeah, but we are on our daily. We're starting to get deep into our oversold. So that's what I want to see. We want to see that. How high we can go today, not entirely sure. I will be looking for the shorts though. I want to see something on the lower time frames. Let's go to like the 15-minute. I want to see come up and then get a little, either something like this where our oscillator comes up and we get that, and that is our bearish divergence, and that brings us down. That's what I'll be looking for. That's the play. That is the play. What are you guys? 1300 p.m. Oh, okay. So it's only 1 o'clock. The spare ribs time for me. Good morning, friends. Share the link. Sorry, I'm a little stuffy this morning. I was blowing out some yellow stuff. Just so you know. Just so you know. Just so you can have that visual. Glad to see you guys here this morning. There's a whole 6 of you here. I feel loved. I feel blessed. This is kind of an ugly cup and handle, isn't it? I was initially thinking maybe, okay, we got this head and shoulders here, but that didn't play out yesterday. Yesterday we just got some nice consolidation within a range, but we were putting in higher lows. Well, I'll say that, and then I see this, but then we put in 3 consecutive higher lows. Higher highs, nah. But the higher lows are still good. So we still get kind of an ascending triangle. These can sometimes be reversals that come to the upside. But again, I would still be watching out for another reversal. Probably a nice little up-down liquidity sweep type deal. So we have this level. Where am I at? What time is it? Okay. This level right here. So this is what I would be looking for. It's just something to just come up, take that out, and then come down, take out the low, wipe out all the liquidity in the range, and then get us moving back to the upside. And that's it on Bitcoin for today. 42,000-ish, 42,250, I believe is what I was saying. Watch for rejection at, I really hate that I can't like read this. I gotta go to my phone to be able to read chat. Or can I scoot this over and read it? Oh, I can. Oh, okay. Watch for rejection at 41,000. Why 41,000? 41,000. Possibly. Just watch for rejection in general. Follow the oscillators. Go down to your shorter term time frames, your low time frames, and just watch price. Be careful if you plan on trading. If not, that's good on you. Gala Lincoln A Gold for me today. Wish me luck. Let's go ahead and 786 fib. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw the fib on it. I'm gonna guess from this top to this low. 786, 41,376, 702, $41,000.69. Or, no worries, I'm used to rejections. Dutch. Or we can bring down to this one. 41,000. I mean, I could see it. Get us up here though. Get us up here. Get us up here to the platinum pocket, the 786 and the 887, and we do have, I would say there's an order block here. These upwards candles, these 3 upwards candles is price. Actually, I would probably take this. What am I on, the 1 hour? Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's really dive in here. How are you guys doing? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. I like that. Yeah. The last up candle before the down move. Actually, this little bitty, do you see it? These 3 little up candles. Right here. Thank you for listening to LBC in the morning. Brought to you by Pfizer. No. We make the blue pill. Don't think about the vaccines. That's the one. Oh, no. Sorry, Shafe. I see equal highs. I should have seen that earlier. Equal highs loved being taken out. Equal highs and equal lows love being taken out. And we're right here at the 0.887. Could definitely see a move above that and then come back down. Is LBC the opposite from... You made me snort, you dick. Sorry. Sorry, I died. That's... You're killing me, Dutch. I'm trying to do a show here. What am I doing right now? I don't even know. Oh, what a great way to start the day. I'm so thankful for Alex O'Crypto for showing me heat maps on TradingView. I did not know that these were a thing. Sector. What is this? Phenomena. Anybody? Why is this all like, why is it stocks? Who cares about stocks? Microsoft, do you see Microsoft passed $3 trillion in market cap? Insanity. Why can't I do, where's Russell, Mini Russell, all US companies, crypto is can I just type in crypto? No. All right, well, I would love to look at crypto heat maps. Anybody know how I can get there? Whoa. Wow. This cool. All right. Well, whatever. Let's see. Maybe that's why ETH dumped because of the news, or maybe because Bitcoin just was taking a dump. So everybody took a dump. We all take dumps together. I know that doesn't sound right, but yeah. All right. So who's winning today? So right now we've got ribbon up, storage, which I like storage a lot. Storage, your fetches, your storages, your file coins, your AI, and your storage, data storage. I like those a lot. Speaking of dumps, gotta go. Have a good day, Schaefer. The Schaefmeister. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the Schaefer. Thank you for coming, brother. I appreciate you. Mad love and respect, as always. I'm still dying of freaking touch. So yeah, storage is looking good. Storage is up almost 5% on the day. Now, like I said, we need to be careful because if Bitcoin dumps, at the very least, we might have already put in a bottom for some altcoins. You can see that we do have a bullish divergence here on the on storage. We have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour for storage. So we could see this come down, and maybe consolidate or something, and then continue on. So just be mindful of that. Creating a nice little head and shoulders reversal. There it is. That's looking for something like that, maybe. So storage could be a play. Of course, everything could be kind of a play at about 8:30. So just remember that. Remember 8:30. Don't get spooked or anything like that. And if you see some down movement today and a dump today, just know that we are expecting it and that we are kind of hoping for it, because it would help give us that bullish divergence that we need on the 4-hour, which would be super bullish. Nothing better than an after coffee morning dump. Speaking of coffee. Sponsored by Disney. Anyways. Anchor protocol. How many of these are going to look exactly the same? Look at all of them. Okay, this one looks different. What is this? Gnosis? Has anybody heard of Gnosis? A nice little BART pattern here. This kind of looks like an XRP chart. Helium, HNT. I've got nothing to say. Sorry, I've lost all brain cells this morning because of Dutch. He lost me. He made me lose it. I'm trying to think what to even say now. I wasn't ready. I wasn't prepared. Was not prepared for that. So 41,000, 42,000. Somewhere in there is where I'd be looking today for Bitcoin. As I've said over and over again. It is towards the end of the show, so, and I was a little late this morning, so I got to stick to time. Thank you for joining me if you joined today. I still had fun, even though it was short, and I didn't really go over it too much. Hey, buddy. Sorry, my dog is up for some reason. Go. Go, go, go. Tis Bones. Bones. Can you even see? There he is. Oh, all right. Okay. There he is. Say hello to Bones. Hi, Bones. Say hello, Bones. All right, get out. Crazy dog. Anyways, hope you all have a wonderful day. Please hit that like, subscribe to the video, and share. Join the Discord. It's free. Everything is free. Don't put any more money into the market than you are willing to lose. That means if it's between your rent or the market, pay your freaking rent. Okay? Use a stop loss and general advisor. I'm just a crypto enthusiast that loves talking about crypto and trading it. What else do I write on here? Oh, that's going to be it for me this morning. I love you guys. I'll see you in someone's chat, I'm sure. Have a great day. Have a radical day. And ride the waves. Peace out, friends.